I'm enjoying my coffee this warm afternoon. You could be having tea or coffee or both just like me. Even for a cup of coffee, LPG has a big role to play. The coffee coming out from the coffee plantations, raw coffee, is usually white or green in color. It then has to undergo a roasting process which makes it dark, brown, chocolatey, which gives it that distinctive aroma and that flavor. Without roasting of coffee, coffee wouldn't have the same great taste that it has. LPG is one of the preferred fuels when it comes to roasting of coffee. Having the exact temperature of the roasting process is very critical. And LPG helps coffee roasters give that perfect temperature constantly in the roasting process of coffee. So if you're a coffee lover, remember the role that LPG has to play in making your coffee taste awesome. To serving hundreds of customers in the tea gardens of Assam, to organized and large players like Nestle, Tata's, Kothas Coffee, and even startups like Neon, at Pune Gas, we are glad to offer our solutions to the tea and coffee industry. Contact us today if you would like the right kind of sustainable solutions for your tea and coffee business as well. Cheers to that.